So, the journey with my grandma began when she was the first person to have carried me when I was born. From then till date, she continues to carry me in her heart. I think I was the lucky one among the other grandchildren because I got to stay with my grandma till the very end and experience her unconditional and selfless love. I am what I am today because of the beautiful woman my grandma was. The relationship I shared with her was unique and precious because she was a parent to me, a sibling to me, and more than anything else, a best friend. She was someone who thought about every single child of hers and her grandchildren all the time, and that only taught me how to care for my family. In the world that we live in, with the kind of distractions that we have, my grandma always guided me and made sure I never took the wrong path. And that is why today I can proudly say I have been brought up the Catholic way. The values that I imbibed from her always kept me close to God. In fact, I believed in the very existence of God only after I saw the history that God created in her life. My mama was strong, quick witted, independent, affectionate, dynamic, and a strong willed woman who fought the good fight till the end. Mama, I know you must be watching this today, and I want to tell you that you meant the world to me and you will continue to be my everything. I want to thank you for everything that you have done for me, and I promise to walk the path that you have led for me. I'll always miss our night talks. I'm going to miss holding you tight and sleeping, waking up to your face. But I know now that you are in a better place, and I hope to meet you soon in that better place. Till then, Mama, I will always love you, and you are the best thing that ever happened to me.
So most of you all know who my grandmother was, but for those who don't know that who she was, I would like to say that she was the best or amazing, but there is no word to describe her. So a day spent with her would be the best days in your life. So I could summarize this, tell that all these 25 years that I spent with her are amazing days, because she's always been there for us, be it in this materialistic world or this spiritual world. She was always a guide for us. And when I remember, my childhood days and my teenage days was 90% only with her. I could tell that every day after school or after college, I would land up in my granny's place, and summer vacation was granny's place. My friends in schools and colleges, for summer vacation, they used to go abroad. But my sister and me and most of our cousins, summer plan was granny's house. So I remember that house in Fraser Town, Hamilton Road was a favorite house, and we have a lot of memories in that place. Because she would wait for us during those days. She would wait for us that when would we go there and spend time with her. So I'm proud to say that among most of the cousins, that me, my sister, and maybe Rafaela, most of the time was Rafaela, we spent most of our lives with my granny, because now she's not there anymore. That it's difficult to take up this. This void is difficult to handle now, but I know that she's looking at us from up above. So I would like to say, Mama, you've been the best. You've been amazing, and I just don't have words to describe or tell what you meant for us. So on behalf of my family and everybody, Mama, we know that you're in a better place now. So Mama, I know you've left us now. You've paved a path for us. So I'm hoping to meet you soon someday, Mama. But I know that I would meet you. Just continue guiding us, Mama. And we'll miss you a lot. And I'm really going to miss all those old stories that you used to tell us, especially me. And I'm going to miss watching all those old movies with you, Mama. We love you, Mama.
On behalf of my sister and myself, I'm here to talk about my grandmother. My grandmother has lived a life full of love, kindness, faith, strength, and courage. Though her life hasn't always been easy, she has overcome all the hurdles boldly. And one thing that I have learned from her is that no matter what we go through, we should always stay strong and courageous. And when it comes to evangelization, she has been a true example and she has touched countless lives. And whenever we used to go and visit her, that even though she was going through so much of pain, she used to always make us happy and shower us with her love. Today I take pride in calling myself as her granddaughter, and I am so grateful to God to have given her as my grandmother. She has always done the best for all of us. Now she is up there interceding for all of us, especially for her grandchildren. My memories with her will always stay forever in my heart.
My grandma meant a lot to me, especially during a lockdown last year. We got to spend a lot of time together. There was a lot of things I got to know about my grandma which I didn't earlier. She used to tell me so many stories which inspired me to see that, how much ever she went through, she's still so strong. And not only is she so strong, she's helping us also be strong, especially during my exams. Like, she used to pray for me, and she used to tell me to call her every day before my exam, so she would pray, and that would give me so much confidence to do my exam, to take my exam in a more positive way. She was always there for us whatever happened. And during the lockdown, we had like so much time we spent together. We watched movies, and I never knew this was coming. And now it's so difficult to digest whatever happened. But even today, like when I walk inside here and I look to my right and I see that chair doesn't have my grandma anymore, who used to like look at you as soon as you come and say hi and be there to welcome you. It's sad, but we will miss you, Mama, and I hope you still keep showering us with your.
Dear Mama, I thank God for giving you in our life. Especially, I thank you for giving us such a wonderful father. You are such a strong and honest woman. We inspire to be like you. We can't forget you because we see you every day in our Father. Remembering you is easy, but missing you is very hard. When you went away, you took a part away from us. We know we will meet again in God's heavenly place.
Mama, I miss you a lot. I know you're in a better place. I miss the thing that you used to shout and tell me to study. And I love you more than my mother.
Mama, you're the best grandmother anyone could have. It has been a privilege to live with you, and you're like the most sweetest person that I've ever seen. The most kind person. Usually when mummy comes to hit me, you'll come and say, "Oh, stop hitting him, stop hitting him." It used to be really nice to hear it, and you're just like an angel come to earth. It's really upsetting to know that you've passed away so early, and I hopefully wish that you're in a better place.
Mama, I miss you a lot, and every time I used to come to visit you, you used to tell stories, and we all used to laugh, and we used to tell stories about God that helped me keep my faith strong. And all the time when I used to come and visit you, you used to smile, you used to shout at me sometimes, you used to play with me, and in memory of you, we all love to sing a song that you mostly liked.
With your banner on your come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. Well, I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. Well, I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. Well, I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. Well, I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can